So I came to test this hickory to see what the moisture content is, and it's hard as a rock. And this says 16.5. But if you mark it at the end or at the top, it's 14.5, 16.5. But if you look at it on the ends, yeah, a little bit more. It's got a ways to go before we can use it, otherwise it'll shrink on us. These are long, very long. I don't know how long, but this whole stack is mine. And those, and these cut-offs, I'm keeping those. And then this stack over here, it's poplar, one pine log, and one oak right in here. I showed this before, but after the guys put this pergola up, I wanted them to secure it with these cables, and they are attached down there underneath that and into the cement, which is in the ground about a foot, all the way up to the top, and secure it around. Yeah, you can't really see that too well. See if I can make that lighter. Secured to the roof, because this would be like a big sail. And he did that on all four corners. So that was that corner. All four posts, you can see the cable going up there. All four posts are secured. Very happy to see that. And it looks like he also, if I zoom in there, put them underneath the bolts to really secure it. So he did a nice job. Because we get, if it calls for 50-mile-an-hour winds, you can count on it being about 80 here. This river it comes right up the river, and it's pretty intense. Pretty strong winds. I'll point out that the grass seed we planted last fall is taking. So that'll be nice. All the way up to the tree. Even over at this tree, although that tree's got to be removed. It got hit a number of times and damaged. So it looks pretty bad. I don't know if it would even make it. So it's gonna come out. This is the pergola. And what I was thinking about doing is putting back here, along this back between these two posts, like a counter with an oven made of stone in it back there. And then a place where people could sit and eat underneath the shelter. But it's directly across from the fire pit. So it'll be a nice little area.
Wait, who's left? Pink?
Scrap. We fixed these side panels here and put these up we did them with glue because there's only the wall, the cement wall behind there. So there's glue back there. And these cross boards are separating it, pushing it apart. So that's hemlock, this stuff. So I think it looks pretty good. So I poured borax in here and it disintegrated almost instantly. But I'm just making sure all of the granules are melted or diffused in the water. And then I can start to spread it on the reclaimed oak. This on at a very low temperature, very low flame. It's about as low as it'll go. It'll keep this hot and dissolved. The borax, that is. So all of the additional spacers were put here to make it level. So I can buy a 1/2-inch Durarock that'll fit down there. Same here and here. It's all level now, all the way up to the top.